grab your pink nail paint and start applying it on your nails like this. Now apply white nail paint as well. Now take a piece of sponge and apply nail paint on it like this. Now dab the sponge over your nails to achieve the gradient effect. Now repeat the same process for the fingers. Clean the fingers and apply top coat for the perfect visible finish. Now cure your nails either in sunlight or lamp. Tada! We are done! And here is a perfect finished look. If you really like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.